Thanks, Mr. President. It's truly an honor to be here. I remember as a little boy the championship teams that came to the White House, and I never dreamed we'd be able to, have a team and be as good as this. And this was a dominant team with incredible culture, everything we all believe in as the best human values: selflessness, humility, teamwork, talent, discipline, everything that we all strive for, this team incorporated. So thank you for the hospitality today, and go Birds.